How does water get into an ECU and what damage can it cause? Water can enter the ECU of a commercial vehicle through several routes, and when it does, it can cause serious damage. Here's how water can get in and what kind of damage it can cause. Damaged or worn seals. ECU enclosure. ECUs are typically sealed to prevent moisture ingress. However, if the seals around the ECU casing become damaged, worn, or improperly installed, water can penetrate the unit. Connector seals. The connectors between the ECU and wiring harness are also sealed. If these seals are compromised, water can seep into the ECU through the wiring connections. Corroded or broken housing. If the ECU housing is cracked, corroded, or otherwise compromised due to age, wear, or mechanical damage, it becomes vulnerable to water ingress, especially in harsh environments where commercial vehicles often operate. Condensation. In humid environments or during rapid temperature changes, condensation can form inside the ECU or its housing. Over time, this moisture can build up and cause water-related damage. Flooding or submersion. Commercial vehicles operating in flood-prone areas or those exposed to deep water during heavy rains can have water enter the ECU, especially if the ECU is mounted low in the vehicle and isn't adequately protected. Improper installation. If an ECU is improperly installed, for example, if the seals aren't correctly seated or the housing isn't properly closed, water can easily find its way into the unit. Jet washing. High-pressure cleaning. Commercial vehicles often undergo jet washing for maintenance and cleaning purposes. If the ECU is exposed to high-pressure water jets during washing, particularly if the seals are damaged or the housing is not properly secured, water can be forced into the ECU. Even well-sealed units can be compromised by the intense pressure of a jet wash, leading to potential water ingress. Potential damage caused by water. Corrosion. Water inside the ECU can lead to corrosion of the internal circuitry. Corroded circuits can cause poor electrical connections, leading to erratic behavior or complete failure of the ECU. Short circuits. Water is conductive, so its presence inside an ECU can cause short circuits. This can result in immediate failure of the ECU or cause it to send incorrect signals to various vehicle systems, leading to malfunctions. ECU failure. Prolonged exposure to water, especially if it repeatedly enters and dries out inside the ECU, can lead to the degradation of the circuit board and components, eventually leading to total ECU failure. Erratic behavior. Even minor water ingress can cause unpredictable behavior in the ECU, such as intermittent faults, unexpected warning lights, or incorrect sensor readings. This can lead to the vehicle running poorly, safety issues, or even breakdowns. Vehicle immobilization. In severe cases, if the ECU is responsible for critical engine or vehicle functions, water damage can cause the vehicle to become immobilized, leaving it unable to start or operate. Prevention and mitigation. Regular inspections. Regularly inspect the ECU housing and seals for any signs of wear or damage, especially in commercial vehicles that operate in harsh conditions. Proper sealing. Ensure that all seals and gaskets are intact and properly installed after any maintenance work involving the ECU. Elevated installation. In areas prone to flooding, consider the placement of the ECU in the vehicle. Ensuring it is installed in a higher, less vulnerable position can reduce the risk of water damage. Waterproofing measures. Additional waterproofing or protective covers may be installed around the ECU to provide extra protection against water ingress in high-risk environments. Addressing water ingress quickly is crucial to prevent significant damage and costly repairs to the ECU and related vehicle systems. Let CV Electronics remanufacture your commercial vehicle ECUs. Saving you time and money, and remanufacturing goes a long way to helping save the environment. Ensure uninterrupted performance for your fleet with CV Electronics' expert remanufacturing solutions for your commercial vehicle ECUs. Our commitment to quality and reliability means you receive a fast, efficient service that keeps your vehicles operating at their best. We recognize the critical role of a smooth-running fleet. That's why we support our superior remanufacturing process with a robust 24-month warranty on all remanufactured units, giving you peace of mind and minimizing downtime. How can you arrange your collection? You can email us at esales@seebelectronics.co.uk or phone us on 01246925500, or you can visit our website and fill in a collection request form. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it has been helpful.